pretty clean. Just got it back from after dying on the first time I rode her, but yeah, I think she'll be a good little thing. Got a few weight saving measures to do on her. I'm essentially replacing all these original bolts with these little titanium ones here. And just noticed a bit of paint cracking on there. So, excuse me. This is all original fairing. It's the wrong tank. It's kind of a purpley color, 98 I believe. And then this is a fiberglass single seat tail. So, see how we go. Second thing I'm going to change is the fuel cap. Got a really nice looking stuff eBay or whatever, but I think it's a nicer finish than this one, so we will change it out. One of the areas I'm going to quickly address on this is this stock exhaust. It's seen better days. Eventually we're going to replace it with a full system of some kind, but what I'm going to do now is mainly the parts that you can see, which is this bit down here and this one here. I'm just going to give it a quick little spray, and just so you can cosmetically hide some of that rust. There we go, just a quick little touch up down there. Still a little bit sketch, but it should look clear around the muffler and through the fairings. So I'll just pop the fairing back on and should be good to go. Well, we are back in the garage with our new project. Megacycle exhaust came up pretty well. I've just been messing around with the stickers and whatnot. I tried to wrap the white number board here, but this fairing, I'm not sure if you can see it, it has a bunch of marks and stuff in it, so I'm not sure how well it's actually going to work, but I've got the purple wheel in, and then I've just mocked up the Ninja graphics, and I think it will work out alright. I tried to lay these stickers in two layers, so the silver first and then the outline, and it didn't really, it was too hard to see where your things needed to line up, so this silver edge should be over here. So I'm going to have another crack at that, at doing it maybe at work on the light box, and I think that will get it lined up a little bit easier, and then yeah, it should be alright to apply over the top. This one here, where I could actually see the outline of it, actually went on pretty well, but need a little bit more bleed on this outside image, which is relatively easy to take care of, but the placement and everything I think is okay, or the size of the sticker, and because I had to remake some of the parts of this one. Maybe this hole here could go across a little bit, but that's relatively easy to fix. Yeah, so it's pretty close, I think.